What's going on, folks? This is the engagement ring that I bought for my fiance on James Allen. And in today's video, I just want to show you guys everything that comes in the box when you purchase the ring, all the documentation, the ring itself. I'll show you what the diamond looked like on their website versus what it looks like in real life, and just give you guys an unboxing and review of my entire buying process. So if you guys aren't familiar with what James Allen is, it's a giant online retailer. You can search tons of diamonds, and the advantages that I found buying from them and ultimately why I chose to buy from them is they had a large selection of diamonds. I got the exact size, color, clarity, no fluorescence, all the things that I was looking for. I was able to find the exact diamond that I wanted from them. So there was just a large selection, and their prices were very competitive compared to all of my shopping that I did in brick and mortar stores. So that's why I decided to go with them. And I'll be honest with you, when I first started shopping, I was a little sketched out buying a diamond online. But after really doing my research and going through and talking with them and looking through their selections and going to stores, I was actually very happy with the transparency in my entire shopping process with them. So that's why I'm making these videos, to try to help people out. So if you guys want to look at their engagement rings and just browse around for your budget, take a look at the link down in the video description down here, and I will have a link to their engagement rings if you guys want to check them out. So everything we have here on the left side, this is the diamond appraisal that they sent me. I got this about a month after receiving my ring, so I'll put that off to the side for now. This is the box that the diamond came in. It's unmarked, very incognito. No one would know that there was a ring in here. And then this is the actual box that they send you. Very good looking box, nice packaging. It's got a little pull tab. This opens up, and there is your ring. I will try to open this the best I can one-handed. It's kind of awkward. But there's the ring right there. And I will take this outside so you guys can see it better in the light. My fiance's already been wearing this ring, so I just shoved it back in the box so that you guys could see. But that's what the ring looks like right there. And I'll take this outside so you can see it in the sunlight here in a second. The lighting is a little bit poor over here. There's a little drawer here on the bottom, and I'll try to pull this out. Comes with a cleaning cloth, which we've already used, and then it comes with all of your documentation. So let me pull this out and I'll show you what all comes with it. So here are all the things that are included in the box. We have the receipt for the order. Sorry, my hands are dirty. I just got done working outside, but we have the receipt for the order, which I'm not going to show just because it has all my personal information on it. We have an inspection sheet here, and then we have a quote for jeweler's insurance. We have the GIA report. So my diamond was graded by GIA. Depending on which diamond you get, you may get a different report. Mine was a GIA graded diamond, so it came with that, and I'll show you that in a second. And then this is a discount for the wedding band, so you can check that out. Nice little packaging there. So let's go ahead and open the GIA report so you can see that. Okay, so this is what the report looks like for this specific ring here. It is a round brilliant. There are the measurements. It's a 1.1 carat, H color, VS2 clarity. It's a triple excellent, meaning it's got excellent cut grade, polish, symmetry, and no fluorescence. And there are the clarity characteristics right there, so you can see all the imperfections in the diamond. Now, this is really helpful, and they'll give you this report on any of the diamonds on their website. They'll actually email it to you. So I got to see this before I actually got the ring. This is something that they will send you over their live chat if you want to take a look at a particular diamond and you're considering it. And they'll send you all this information, and you can kind of take a look at all of the different characteristics of that specific diamond. And they will help you go through the options too. There was a couple things on here, I was talking to them about some of the inclusions and things on different diamonds, and they kind of helped steer me in the right direction and gave me suggestions of better diamonds that I was looking at. And they said, I think you should check out this diamond instead. I think you get more bang for your buck. So they're really helpful, which I really liked. So that is the GIA report. So this is the appraisal here. Now, I paid right around $7,400 for this natural diamond with the specs that you guys saw earlier, and they appraised it at $8,600. So for whatever that's worth, I have documentation saying that it was appraised at $8,600. But let's go ahead and take this diamond outside and go view it in the sunlight so you guys can take a look at it. I hope this video was helpful for you all, showing you exactly what you'll get if you do buy from James Allen. This is pretty much everything. And like I said, guys, we're really happy with our ring. Honestly, we really like it, and we like the entire shopping process, made it a little bit less stressful. James Allen just made it a little bit more transparent, and we like that. So if you guys are interested, there'll be a link down in the video description to their engagement rings if you want to check them out. But until then, if you guys have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them right away. Until then, guys, have a great day, and good luck with your ring shopping. Hope all goes well. All right, guys, take care.